Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today, I would like to explain you social assignment of class 9. Topic is atmosphere. Let us see few questions from the subtopic, that is types of rainfall, convectional, orographic rainfall. Let us go with the question number 1. Our first question is write about convectional rainfall. Yes, this is one type of rainfall, and where we could see this, it is common in the low latitudes only on the summer days, in the interior parts of the continents, and usually in the form of the short, heavy showers just after the hottest part. Especially where we could see this type of rainfall, children, convectional rainfall in the low latitudes and especially on the summer days, and that too in the interior part of the continents. In the interior part of the continents we could see that usually it comes in the form of short heavy showers after the hottest day. Is nothing but it's summer season. During the summer season we could experience this hottest part of the day. Sometimes it is accompanied by thunder and lightning also. So where sometimes we could experience during the rainy season that the thunderstorms and the lightning, thunder and the lightning, we could see in this type of rainfall, that is convectional rainfall. Let us move with the question number 2, children. Our second question is all about why the northwestern part of India receives very little rainfall. Yes, why the northwestern part of India, why it receives a very little rainfall. Let us see why it is going to receive this. Why? Because northwest, not southwest children, northwest part. And what are the reasons for this? When the moist wind is forced to rise over the mountain or other elevation in its path, these winds, they are going to have the word sides of many mountain ranges. Example we can take here, northwestern part. We can take the example of here Rajasthan also, like a leeward side of Rajasthan, where we could see this. Many mountain ranges receive heavy precipitation, whereas the leeward sides along the air moves down receives very less rainfall. Because of that reason, that is the leeward side of the many mountainous regions. That is the reason we could see the less amount of rainfall or very little amount of rainfall. And that is the reason where the leeward side along the air moves down and where it is going to receive very little rainfall. Such situation occurs widely in the western coast of India also. Why? Because that is the part what we call it as it is a rain shadow region, right? So this is all about our second answer, children. Let us move with the question number 3. Our third question is, how can you say that Deccan Plateau is a rain shadow region? Yes. Question is, how can you say that Deccan Plateau region is a rain shadow region? Let us see. The moist air of the Arabian Sea. Yes. Like where we could take the example of this, right? Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Here, the moist air from the Arabian Sea is forced by the Western Ghats to rise up, resulting in expansion, cooling and rainfall. Western Ghats, where we could see the dense forest, thick forest, and at the same time here, high peaked hills we could find in the region of the Western Ghats. So here, on the other side of the Western Ghats, the descending wind is devoid of moisture and hence does not give the rain in the certain part of the Deccan Plateau region. Hence this region is called as dry and rain shadow region also. This is all about the Deccan Plateau. Now this is Deccan Plateau region, the southern part of India, like Deccan Plateau region. Right. So on the other side, Western Ghats, the descending wind is devoid in moisture and hence it does not give any rain in the central part of the Deccan Plateau. The central part of the Deccan Plateau, hence this region is known as dry and as well as its rain shadow region. This is all about today's assignment, children. Thank you all.